Waar is die mandjie, Cleo, handjie, can it go? Get the ticket, get the seat, and let us go.
Dit moet hard wees. So hard soos jou hart moet wees.
Maar sê my, hoekom moet my hart dan so hard wees?
Kyk, as jy 'n losloper hond sien, dan moet jy sonder om te aarzel om stormloop en in die vangwa boener.
En as hy eerste storm loop?
Dan sal jy eers 'n harde hart nodig hê. Dan sal jou gebalde vuis jou baie van hulp wees. As hy storm, dan steek jou ken uit. Ners op jou tande. Ek sê ners op jou tande.
Sal het alright wees?
Hoekom nie?
Wel, net nou, hy eerste.
Daar hoef jy nie bekommerd te wees nie.
Hoekom nie?
'n Hond wat ners sal nie byt nie. Nou toe, ners op jou tande.
Ek wil nie.
Het jy dan nou bang geword?
Nee, net versigtig. Jy weet 'n hond wat byt nie. En ek weet 'n hond wat byt nie. Maar weet 'n hond dat 'n hond wat net nie byt nie.
Jong, wil jy nou hondevanger word of nie? Wie jy weet iets van honde af?
Wel, ek ken nie verskil tussen honde en skape.
Honde
het vloeie.
Vloeie, ja?
Skape het motte.
New Foam Power Harpic bursts into instant cleansing action. You can see how hard it works, removing stains, killing germs, leaving a crisp, clean fragrance. New activated Harpic with Foam Power.
The exciting new trend in interior decoration is the natural wood look. Today's smartest women are adding a new dimension to their homes with Cobra white wax polish. They know the pure white waxes in Cobra bring to life the exciting textures of the grain without darkening or staining the wood. And Cobra's natural shine is so easy to spread. Get the natural wood look with Cobra white wax polish.
Gold, pure gold. Men will do anything for it. So when you carry Benson & Hedges, guard it. It's a cigarette so priceless it's boxed in pure gold to protect it from sun, moisture, and envious eyes. Benson & Hedges, proof that the world has confidence in gold.
Ek weet nie of Albie Lou honde kan vang nie, maar ek weet dat hy klawers kan vasvat. Klavierklawers. Kom, Albie Lou, speel die ding flou.
doskerel dan vandag? Ek soek hom al.
Oh, my old man's a dog man, and he catches dogs that stray. But so that he can keep his job, he lets them go next day.
Who's that? Yours, if your old man knows all about catching dogs, then surely you must be able to catch dogs too.
No. No dog catching job for me.
But yours, McCaufley needs a dog catcher.
No, and you know why? Some people are allergic to dogs.
Whoa.
And, what the pity is, what a pity.
What's what a pity now?
I'm one of them.
Ja, maar kyk, allergy to dogs is only in the mind, verstaan? Something must have happened when you were a child. There must be something in your subconscious mind.
My old man says I haven't got a subconscious mind. Only an unconscious mind.
No, all right, yours, kom ons werk met jou unconscious mind. You just lie down on the sofa,
Yeah.
and I'll hypnotize you to sleep, eh? I sleep. Sleep. You are feeling relaxed. Your eyelids are getting heavier and you want to sleep, sleep, sleep. He is asleep. I hope he is comfortable.
I am comfortable.
But I see that the sofa springs nearly touch the floor.
That's all right. I'm a heavy sleeper.
Relax yours. Relax every nerve and every muscle in your body. You are dreaming. You are dreaming. Dreaming. Wat lag jy? I'm serious.
Me too.
Then why are you laughing, yours?
It's a nice dream.
Now yours. Dream that you are back in your childhood days. Why are you crying, yours?
I'm crying because I'm too young to enjoy what I was just now laughing about.
Yours. But you are now in your dreams and you are at a wonderful age. It's Christmas, parties, presents, pudding.
I didn't have all that when I was small.
We are learning something. Soon we will know what bothered you when you were a child. Think back, yours. It's Christmas. Jingle bells, jingle bells. Jingle.
No, not again. Not like last year.
It's working. It's working. Your mind must go back further, yours. What happened the Christmas before?
We were so poor. My old man taught my socks how to hang me up. And now I'm at school.
It is working. Yours. Now we will find out what happened in your past and why you are allergic to dogs. It's coming back to him slowly, slowly. Now when I count to 3, you will wake up fresh as a daisy and you will feel fine, fine. 1, 2, 3, wake up.
Thank goodness school is out.
Now, yours, do you know why you are allergic to dogs?
Yes, my teacher was poor too.
Poor?
Yes, I was my teacher's pet. She couldn't afford a dog. I haven't got an old school tie. I've got a collar with brass studs and a buckle.
Don't worry, yours. Here, have a coffee, Rusk.
No thanks, sir. No, it gives me a tang on the tongue. Try one of mine.
What's yours? Biscuit assorted?
No, biscuit dog.
Wees net hoe een mens jou kan verbeel. Maar een of ander tijd kom je tot ontnuchtering. Wees dus waawheid wakker en op je hoede en luister net naar goede raad. Raad soos hierdie.
Dis nuwe skuimkrag Happy Candy werk. Dit bruis en borrel en maak skoon met nuwe stuwende skuimkrag. Nuwe skuimkrag Harpic, ontketen onbliklike skoonmaakkrag.
Found a bottle of Fanta, open the cap. My long lost smile is back. Fanta, Fanta, it's a bottle of fun. Fanta, Fanta's just a bottle of fun. It's like a fountain of flavor, a smile with your glum, a rainbow to slide on, a peacock to ride on. But when it's all said and done, Fanta, Fanta's just a bottle of fun. Fanta, Fanta's just
Sunrise, sunset, and a new year springs to life with folk rock rhythms in New York City, dueling banjos down the wide Mississippi, the rippling tempo of steel bands from Tobago to Trinidad, oompa sounds along the merry Rhine, and the stirring paso doble of a Spanish guitar. And when morning comes, up and away to new places, new pleasures. Wherever you make music tonight, the makers of Peter Stuyvesant wish you and all the world a great night out.
Sectie 1, sectie 2 en sectie 3, meneer.
Sy sal daarvan hou om alles in een of ander seksie te sien.
Ja, meneer. Want sien meneer my ouma, meneer. Sy's 'n seksie ouma, meneer.
Maar kyk jy vir jou, as ons 3 seksies het, dan sal ons 3 hondevangers moet hê.
Nie noodwendig nie, meneer, nee. Ons sit die nommer 1 seksie honde aan hierdie kant van die dorp en die nommer 2 seksie honde aan daai kant.
En die nommer 3 seksie honde in die middel.
Nee, meneer. Daar's maar net 2 soorte seksies honde, meneer.
Ja?
Die een seksie noem ons die hoen en die ander seksie met permissie gesê. Meneer weet mos, meneer.
Ja. Maar nou sit ons met mekaar vlei in 2 verdeel. Nommer 1 seksie honde hierdie kant, en nommer 2 seksie honde aan daardie kant, en jou nommer 3 seksie, ek bedoel, jou ouma in die middel.
Nee, ek sit in die middel, meneer, met 'n stok met 'n groot net. Soos wat 'n mens kreef mee vang, meneer.
Wat sit jy dan aan maak?
Ek sit in wag, meneer.
Wag, waarvoor?
Vir die honde om oor en weer te kom kol, meneer.
En het jy nou al ooit 'n hond so gevang?
O ja, meneer. Meneer, aan die een kant was 'n hond met die naam van Caesar, meneer. En aan die ander kant was nou met permissie gesê, meneer. Meneer weet mos wat.
Ja, toe maar ja.
En haar naam was Cleopatra.
Die liefdesverhaal van die 1ste eeu. Caesar en Cleopatra. Niks. Ja, niks kon tussen hulle 2 kom nie.
Mag wees, meneer.
Caesar en Cleopatra. Die geskiedenis leer ons dat daar wel iets tussen hulle gekom het.
Dis reg, meneer. Ek en my kreef net, meneer.
Caesar het onverskrokke en onoorwonne oor die piramides sy weg na sy Cleopatra gebaan.
Maar net tot by die eerste vullisblik toe het ek hom, meneer.
Caesar in al sy glorie, sy ligte Romeinse kuif, gloei soos goud op sy hoof.
En om sy nek glinster dof die ronde silverplaatjie aan 'n band van leer.
Die gloeiende kuif is hoogs in die mode.
Die glinsterende silverplaatjie is lank al verstreke.
Die kuif is 'n nuwe, splinternuwe simbool.
Die plaatjie is 'n ou, stokoulik siens.
En so het Caesar Egipte en Cleopatra verower. Hy sou die hele wêreld verower het. Maar daar was onheil op die horison.
Ja, meneer, dis my ouma, meneer.
En toe begin alles om Caesar te verkrummel.
Hy moes sy kop laat sak.
Hy het sy kop laat sak.
Hy moes sy kop laat sak.
Omdat die Romeinse ryk geval het?
Nie omdat die kreef net te klein was, meneer.
Dogs, dogs, dogs. If I now stood in the shoes of William Shakespeare, I would have said, bark ye, O collie-hunt and Labradors, for here we have the troubadour.
Onder een groot paddenstoel zit die dwergswannepoel en sy kleine dwergie hart ween van smart. Hy het van sy bruikie af zoiets dan nooit verwacht. Zonder soen of afscheidswoord was sy skielik voort.
Kleine dwerg, moenie treur nie, laat daarvan jou nie steun nie, laat hem maar waai, tyd gaan verby.
Sluit en likkie bly, as die lewe nie wil gee, wat jy so graag wil hê, sing dan nie een treurgesang, aan jou gang. Dink aan dwergie swannepoel, onder sy paddenstoel, neem die lewe soos dit kom, wees nie dom.
Kleine dwerg, moenie treur nie, laat daarvan jou nie steun nie, laat hem maar waai, tyd gaan verby.
Sluit en likkie bly, as die lewe nie wil gee, wat jy so graag wil hê, sing dan nie een treurgesang, gaan jou gang, gaan jou gang, gaan jou gang.
Gabriel, hier is ons over die rechte plek. Die bordjie sê, Heer Hans, veterinary sergeant.
Is dit nie veterinary Sir John nie?
Nee, mens spel het Sir John, maar het spreek het sergeant uit, man, moes met jou. Elk geval, wat maak het saak solang ons die hondjie sy stert kan laat afkap? Klop aan die deur.
How do you do? Have you an appointment to see her, Dr. Hans?
No, we don't want to see the doctor. The little dog wants to see the doctor.
Will you take a seat, please, yeah?
Thank you.
Who shall I say has called?
Fifi.
Just one moment, please. Mr. and Mrs. Fifi, yeah?
No, the dog is Fifi. He's Gabriel, Michi is die dog Fifi Fox Terrier, man.
I tell her, Dr. Hans, that you are here. Ah, here come her, Dr. Hans, now.
Gabriel, is nou het spitsen aan de houten, jawohl.
Dokter, 'n klein hond met lang sterte nie gesond, jawel. 'n groot hond met korte sterte, dis gesond, jawel. 'n kapstertjie af, jawel.
Himmel, Adam und Wolkenbruch noch einmal, was ist los? Kijk eens, kleine hond, große sterts, nicht gesund. Große hond, kleine sterts, desgesund, Kapsterts ab.
Kapsterts ab?
Yes.
Es wird nicht getan. The little tail of the little dog is never just cut off. It is a very delicate operation.
Yeah.
It is a separation of the sacral vertebra between the tibiofibula and the mammalian vertebra column.
Yes, I see.
Nurse,
Jawohl, Herr Doktor.
prepare for an injection between the concave center of the ampullus and the knotted cord.
Jawohl, Herr Doktor.
And be careful of the caudal artery and the caudal vein in the hebel canal, protecting it from kinking when the tail is bent.
Jawohl, Herr Doktor.
Waarvan praat hy nou?
Kom. Moet niet voor jou staan en onnozel nie. Hy sê sy moet baie versigtig wees as sy die hondjie se stert buig net voor hulle afkap sien.
Maak dit dan nou saak.
Natuurlik is 'n delikate operasie. As ons ooghare uittrek, man.
Wat is so delikaat? Ek vat sommer 'n knip.
Sê jy shut up.
Wat so nonsens is dit met 'n injeksie en daai?
Kyk hier, Gabriel, nog hier voor hy jou uit en is so goed of ek skop jou onder jou carpal artery dat die kommel uitstroom en die handel kan weer ek skop jou met the kinking with the tail is bent, hoor jy?
The tail? Ah, the tail. Yeah. In evolution, the tail was in the beginning, and the tail was in the end.
Gabriel, hy sê jy kan jou draai net soos jy wil, maar die tail sit altyd van agter.
Ja. The oldest creatures are fishes, to whose backbone came on extension we know as tail. The tail vanished from the fish and we got the frog. The frog grew a tail and became a lizard. And the lizard lost his tail and became a guinea pig. And the guinea pig grew a tail and became a dog.
And the dog lost its tail and it became a orang-utang.
Well, the orang-utan lost his tail and became a man. That is the theory of evolution, and it took 1,000 million years for tail to become a man.
Is that so, eh?
Yeah, there are scientists who believe that is so.
En jy, Kees, give the fox terrier hier maar hier, tail and all, we go home. Gee die hond hier bring.
Wat jy hondevanger word, is jy dan be...
Ek gaan soveel hondesterte red as wat ek kan. En hoe meer hondesterte behoue bly, meer gaan ek die nageslag help, Gabriel.
Wat is los?
The more dogs I catch, the more embarrassment I spare our children's children in another 1,000 million years.
You will do that?
Yes. Then it won't be necessary for any of them to say, my opa was a fox terrier's tail.
New Foam Power Harpic bursts into instant cleansing action. You can see how hard it works, removing stains, killing germs, leaving a crisp, clean fragrance. New activated Harpic with Foam Power.
Let's make some Pepsi music. Beautiful. That's the cola base flavor that lies at the heart of each Pepsi, but not just ordinary cola. That's right, a special Pepsi Plus flavor. But Pepsi's more than just flavor. Pepsi has a flavor so lively you can feel it bite back thirst. Now let's put the whole lot together and find out what Pepsi's all about.
It's more than just cola, it's a whole lot more. Pepsi is a feeling you never had before.
Pepsi.
Ride high, walk tall. Come on up to Paul Revere country, where rich and mellow tobaccos reward like the wide outdoors. Paul Revere, the toasted cigarette that gives you real smoking pleasure. For rich, full flavor. Get into the saddle with Paul Revere.
Rusty Mikey, Cleo, Hanky, Kid, and Co. We are coming to the end of our show. Como somos en die koord, goodbye and au revoir. Get the ticket, get the seat, and let us go.